Hello everyone, welcome to Accurex YouTube channel. Today we'll see how to use infinite cholesterol reagent on semi-automated analyzer. In this kit, we get one reagent bottle and standard, that is 200 mg per dl, and pack insert. For testing, apart from kit, we need calibrated pipettes of 1 ml and 10 microliter, or clean and dried tips, and well labeled test tube and serum sample tissue paper. For testing, we take 3 test tubes. First one is blank, second is standard, and third one is serum. So we'll take 1 ml reagent in all the 3 test tubes. So first one is blank, second one is standard, and third one is serum. So we'll take 1 ml reagent in all the 3 test tubes. For serum, we will take 10 microliter serum. For standard, we will take 10 microliter standard. Now, take 1 ml reagent in all the 3 test tubes. First one is blank. So in second one, we'll take 10 microliter standard. And wipe the tips with the tissue paper and mix with the reagent properly. Now, for the serum sample, we will take 10 microliter serum sample and wipe the tips with the tissue paper and mix it with the reagent. Now, we will incubate all the 3 tubes at 37 degrees Celsius for 5 minutes. Now after 5 minutes, main menu of the instrument, we will select cholesterol program. Now we'll aspirate blank. As you can see, blank is 0.013. To save this blank, we have to press blank. Now we'll aspirate standard. To save this standard, we have to press on standard. As you can see, factor is 625.0. Now we'll aspirate sample. Sample value is 225. In this way, you can test more samples. Thank you.